Fried chicken is a beloved dish around the world. From the bustling streets of Seoul to the cozy diners in the American South, this dish has found a special place in many hearts and kitchens. It's crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. The perfect combination of textures and flavors makes it irresistible. Everyone loves fried chicken, whether it's served hot and spicy or mild and savory. It's perfect for a family meal or a special occasion. Fried chicken brings people together, creating moments of joy and togetherness around the dinner table. Let's learn how to make the best fried chicken. With the right ingredients and techniques, you can recreate this classic dish at home. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to create your own fried chicken masterpiece. From selecting the freshest ingredients to mastering the frying process, we've got you covered. Get ready for a culinary adventure. We'll explore different marinades, coatings, and frying methods to help you find your perfect recipe. With a little practice, you'll be making amazing fried chicken in no time. So roll up your sleeves and let's get cooking. Before we begin, let's gather our ingredients. You can find most of these at your local grocery store. Having fresh, high-quality ingredients will make your fried chicken taste even better. Chicken pieces, drumsticks, thighs, and breasts are popular choices. All-purpose flour, salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, eggs, milk, and vegetable oil for frying. Make sure you have enough of each ingredient before you begin. Now let's move on to the exciting part. Preparing the chicken. Marination is key for flavorful and juicy fried chicken. First, rinse your chicken pieces and pat them dry with paper towels. This helps the flavors stick better. In a large bowl, mix together buttermilk, salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. Submerge the chicken pieces in this marinade, ensuring they are well coated. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or even overnight for maximum flavor. Section 4. The Art of Frying, Achieving Golden Perfection. Frying is an essential skill in the culinary world, and mastering it can elevate your cooking to new heights. Now comes the fun part, frying the chicken. This is where the magic happens, transforming simple ingredients into a crispy, golden delight. Fill a large, heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven with about 2 inches of vegetable oil. The type of oil you use can affect the flavor and texture of your fried chicken, so choose wisely. Heat the oil over medium-high heat. It's crucial to get the temperature just right. Too hot, and the chicken will burn on the outside while remaining raw inside. Too cool, and it will absorb too much oil, becoming greasy. To test if the oil is hot enough, sprinkle a pinch of flour into it. If it sizzles, you're good to go. This simple test ensures that your oil is at the perfect frying temperature. While the oil heats, prepare your dredging station. This setup is key to achieving that perfect crispy coating on your chicken. In a shallow dish, combine flour, salt, pepper, and any other spices you like. This seasoned flour will be the first layer of flavor and crunch. In another shallow dish, whisk together eggs and a splash of milk. This egg mixture helps the flour adhere to the chicken, creating a thick, crispy crust. Carefully lower a few chicken pieces into the hot oil, ensuring not to overcrowd the pot. Overcrowding can lower the oil temperature, resulting in soggy chicken. Fry the chicken for about 6 to 8 minutes on each side until golden brown and cooked through. The sizzling sound and the aroma will let you know you're on the right track. Use a meat thermometer to ensure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. This step is crucial for food safety and ensures your chicken is perfectly cooked. Once the chicken is done, let it rest on a wire rack to drain excess oil. This keeps the chicken crispy. Garnish with fresh herbs for an added touch of flavor and presentation. And there you have it, golden perfection. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and bursting with flavor. Enjoy your homemade fried chicken, a true culinary masterpiece. Section 5. Crispy and Juicy, Tips for Success. Here are a few essential tips to ensure your fried chicken turns out crispy, juicy, and absolutely irresistible every single time you make it. First, don't overcrowd the pot while frying. Overcrowding can lower the oil temperature significantly, which results in soggy chicken instead of the desired crispy texture. Make sure to fry in batches if necessary. To maintain a consistent oil temperature, adjust the heat as needed throughout the frying process. Using a thermometer can help you keep the oil at the optimal temperature, usually around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the chicken is cooked to perfection, transfer it to a wire rack lined with paper towels. This step is crucial as it allows the excess oil to drain off, preventing the chicken from becoming greasy. Draining the chicken on a wire rack helps maintain its crispiness, ensuring that each bite is as delightful as the first. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to frying up a batch of chicken that's not only crispy on the outside, but also bursting with flavor on the inside. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Happy frying! Section 6. Serving your masterpiece. Fried chicken is best served hot and fresh. It's delicious on its own, or you can pair it with your favorite sides. Some classic choices include mashed potatoes, coleslaw, and biscuits. For a touch of sweetness, drizzle honey or serve with a side of your favorite dipping sauce. Enjoy the delicious fruits of your labor. Section 7. Conclusion. Enjoy your fried chicken feast. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the delicious world of fried chicken. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and adjust the recipe to your liking. Now gather your loved ones, pour yourself a glass of iced tea, and savor the crispy, juicy goodness of your homemade fried chicken. You deserve it.